Why most auto accident cases fail. There's three important parts that people just have to get right. The first important part is fault or liability. You got to show that somebody else is at fault for causing the accident. And this can be done by a police report, dash cam video, maybe video from a nearby building, eyewitness reports, photographs. The important part is to show that somebody else is at fault for causing the accident, because if you can't show that, your case probably isn't going to go anywhere. Now, the second critical part is medical treatment. Go to a doctor, go get medical care, follow up with the doctor's recommendations. And this is critical because it shows a jury or a claims adjuster, hey, look, there was an injury and the injury was caused by the accident and the injury took this long to heal and the treatment cost this many dollars. All of this is important because it shows that the injuries are related to the accident. It shows how much they cost to get healed, and it shows how long you were injured. And the length of the injury is important because you're also entitled to collect for pain and suffering. So the third part is something I just alluded to. It's somebody to collect from or some entity to collect from. It does none of us any good to go to trial, get a fabulous verdict for $1 trillion, and you can't collect a penny because there's no insurance and the person or entity that caused the business has no money. So all you literally would get would be a verdict form. You can stick it up on the wall and point to it all day long, but it doesn't give you a dollar of goods. So it's important to know that the person you're bringing a claim against or the entity actually has money. In common personal injury cases, if it's an auto case, you're going to have an auto insurance policy you can collect from. If there's a business involved, you can go after the business. In certain situations, you might have, unfortunately, what's common these days, a lot of people running around with no auto insurance. And in that case, you want to look at your own policy and look for uninsured motorist or underinsured motorist coverage, because that will pay you what the at-fault person owes you up to the limits of your policy. So if you have questions about your rights after an accident and you happen to live in the state of Nevada where I practice law, feel free to give me a call or drop me an email and I'll answer them for you. No pressure, no obligation, just answers.